The students who thrive in the Walton Executive MBA are professionals who are ready to take a leap in their career. They come from a wide range of industries: Fortune 500 companies, entrepreneurial ventures, nonprofits, the public sector. But they all share the same mindset. They're driven, they're curious, they're eager to grow, and they have an unwavering drive for greatness. They hold themselves to high standards and bring both intellectual curiosity and discipline to everything they do. They're constantly connecting what they learn in the classroom on Saturday to what they face at work on Monday. The program is intentionally rigorous. It's hard, but it's worth it. And those who thrive are the ones who lean into that challenge, who see feedback as fuel, and who use the experience to stretch beyond their comfort zones. They also care deeply about the success of others, because the program is cohort-based. Students move through every class together. They support one another. They share insights. They celebrate each other's wins. One of my favorite quotes is from Zig Ziglar. He said, "You can have everything in life you want if you just help enough other people get what they want." That's the spirit you see in our students every day. Ambitious professionals pushing themselves to be great while helping their classmates achieve greatness too. That combination of drive, growth, and genuine care for others is what defines Walton EMBA students. And it's what prepares them to lead with both confidence and character.